In this tutorial video, you will learn to display the files and people you shared. Clicking on the Share Files option on the Data menu will list the files you shared at the top in the panel that appears. When the Users button next to the Shared Files is clicked, the user information is listed in the panel that appears. There is a Settings button next to each user in the list of shared users. With this button, layer authorizations of that user are displayed. After changing the sign of the authorization buttons, authorizations of user can be changed with the Save button. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to follow us to be updated for recent developments. You may continue to next tutorial video.